Hey everybody, so today we are back on Roblox, and today's Roblox video we'll be playing Ro-scale Sandbox. So today, if you remember my last Ro-scale Sandbox videos, then you would know that I have like a little railway. But I decided to build a brand new one, and it's 10 times better and has 10 times more track and stuff. I present to you my Railway 2.0. So you start here at the yard where you have these two tank engines and all these sidings, these empty sidings, which I'll probably fill up probably somewhere in the future. We also have like these roads that lead here to the railway. And back here, we have some more sidings and sheds and more sheds. And if you go back here, wait. First to get here, you have to go down the main line here, then take the switch. Take this switch. We'll show all that later. Then we go here to the crossing, then up the bridge. Then you come across these sheds, but that's not the case. But here is a big surprise. So here we have all these sidings, the sheds, but no. We have my Ro-scale Sandbox made Superstation. Look, I know it's not as accurate as the actual Superstation, but I did my best. I didn't want to actually, directly copy it, because, but let's see here, hang on. So right here, Thomas is cuddling up to me, and right now I'm trying to switch to here to show you all the things I have for my little superstation. So right here, let me just switch. And right here we have the narrow gauge track, because I like to make it so my superstation is dual gauge track. But it's not actually that, because if I actually put standard gauge track with narrow gauge track, then the engines would just get stuck there. So I just did this, and now we're just going up, and up, and up. I like how the Thomas here in this game has the Blue Train Friends buffing sound. And now we go around. There's Totally Not Cranky. We go for this cross track, and then there's the sheds there. We have all this. We have that track there. Hang on, Thomas. Let me try and speed you up. That's this max speed. I think that could be arranged. There. Now? Hang on. Max speed. Okay. No. This should help. So right now we have those tracks. Oh, that's really helping. But right now, there's the narrow gauge track. That track leads back there. And okay, we're going too fast. Whoa! We're going on the bridge. We're flying. Wait a minute. That track's not finished yet. Oh no. Ah! Whoa! Just like in that one movie. Oh, it's just like in the movies. Okay, that's enough, Thomas. That's enough. Oh no! It's just like in the Polar Express. He's finally coming into a stop. We're just gonna leave him there, because why not? And way back here, we have these tracks there, we have this. We also have another, like, shunting yard, but this time, instead of usual standard gauge track on top, we have narrow gauge track. Then we have all this stuff. We have this little roundhouse. Well, it's not really a roundhouse. It's more like a square house now. We have the roads here that just lead there. We have here a little quarry that is still not finished yet. And I'll give you a quick guess on what am I referencing here. Tell me in the comments what am I referencing. And also here's another hint. And right here we have like a bunch of dump trucks, or just beyond construction trucks. There's just a bunch of construction trucks. I mean, what am I even saying? There's construction vehicles everywhere, like everywhere. But not back here, where there is more narrow gauge track. And here, this narrow gauge track leads into a mine. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to paint. Yes, this mine used to be a yellowish, but I decided to make it like a little more brownish because just why not? Which does not fit the little reference I'm making here. But yeah. Sometimes you just have to deal with things. But if we go all the way back here, then we have this hill here. Don't say in the comments that it's Gordon's Hill. Look, since I'm a Thomas fan, I'm trying my very, very hardest not to make this a whole island soda thing. Stop, you will fall. Silly old board. and for that board back there, I might just like recolor it because like since it's kind of camouflaged with the brown ground. Like way back here. You saw that sign. You see this sign? I might have to recolor it because like it kind of camouflages with the ground. So yeah. We have all this stuff. All of that. This is just basically like a little tour of my big old railway. But if you just keep going here we have a big old docks. And it has standard gauge and narrow gauge. It has a big old crane that is totally not cranky. And here there's a ship with rail tracks that is carrying a bunch of steam engines and 2 electric engines. One green, one brown. And there's a cruise ship back here that I added not too long ago. We have that. We have this shed. We have all this stuff. We even have this little like shunting yard or siding here at the narrow gauge railway. And if an air gauge engine is taking like a little train here as he passes through the farm, then he'll have to, then once he's here he'll have to disconnect, then go here, go here, go here, turn on the turntable, then go back, then just go straight on as he pushes his train, then into the buffers, and basically, yeah. We also have like some trucks carrying some tank engines that were from the boat, and we have all this stuff. Also, this took me like forever to make this little track there, and that's basically what I need to show you. But there is more and more, and maybe even more that I haven't shown you. Like seriously, this map is way big, but I'll try and keep you updated. Sorry that I haven't uploaded yesterday. I was just too busy. And yeah, that's basically that's basically the tour of my giant railway here. Although there's lots more that I probably haven't shown you. But that's basically that. So anyway, if you like this video, smash that like button and also subscribe. Click that bell notification. Select all. See you next time for a new video. Bye.